The downward staircase of veganphobia. By bullying animal defenders, you directly support the continuation of animal exploitation and suffering. Veganphobia discourages efforts to end the needless torture, confinement, and killing of innocent beings. Mocking people who stand up for the voiceless creates a culture where empathy and kindness are dismissed, making it easier to ignore other injustices in society. Veganphobia silences those trying to create a more ethical world, slowing down progress for animal liberation and reducing the impact of important movements. Attacking vegans reinforces a defensive mindset where people cling to harmful habits rather than addressing the moral inconsistencies in their actions. Animal agriculture is a leading cause of deforestation, water pollution, and greenhouse gas emissions. Bullying those advocating for plant-based solutions actively undermines efforts to combat climate change. Now that you know better, you can do better. You can remind people that veganphobia derails discussions about global food equity. Animal farming consumes vast resources that could feed billions of starving people. Mocking vegans delays solutions to global hunger. You can also remind people that cruelty towards vegans spreads false narratives about health, nutrition, and ethics, confusing the public and perpetuating ignorance. You can be vegan fantastic. You can remind people that veganphobia increases the suffering of those who are already enduring the emotional weight of witnessing animal cruelty. Adding cruelty to their burden is both unnecessary and deeply unjust. Now that you know this information, you can be a teaching assistant on my channel. Write down what you learned in the comments and keep teaching every time I post a new video.